What happens when you quit sugar? When you stop eating sugar, whether it's added sugars or high sugar foods, several things can happen to your body and overall health. Improved blood sugar levels. Cutting out sugar can lead to more stable blood sugar levels. This can be especially beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Weight loss. High sugar foods are often calorie-dense and can contribute to weight gain. By eliminating or reducing sugar intake, you may see weight loss, especially if your overall caloric intake decreases. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. A diet high in added sugars is associated with an increased risk of obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic health conditions. Cutting back on sugar can help reduce these risks. Improved dental health. Sugars are a primary contributor to tooth decay. Reducing sugar intake can lead to better oral health and fewer cavities. Better energy levels. The energy spikes and crashes associated with high sugar diets can be reduced when you cut out sugar. Your energy levels might become more consistent throughout the day. Improved skin health. Some people notice improvements in their skin's appearance when they reduce sugar intake. This is because sugar consumption can contribute to inflammation, which can affect skin health. Reduced risk of fatty liver disease. Excessive sugar consumption can contribute to the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Cutting out sugar can help improve liver health. Better heart health. High sugar intake is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. By reducing sugar consumption, you may improve markers of heart health, such as cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Reduced inflammation. Sugar consumption can contribute to inflammation in the body, which is linked to various health issues. Cutting back on sugar may help reduce overall inflammation. Improved mood and mental health. Some people report improved mood and reduced anxiety when they reduce their sugar intake. High sugar consumption has been linked to mood swings and mental health issues. Resetting taste preferences. Cutting out sugar can help reset your taste preferences, making less sweet foods more enjoyable and reducing cravings for sugary treats. Better digestive health. High sugar intake can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, potentially leading to digestive issues. Reducing sugar might help restore a healthier gut environment. It's important to note that some people might experience withdrawal symptoms when they cut out sugar, including cravings, irritability, and headaches. These symptoms are usually temporary and will subside as your body adjusts to the change in diet. Sugar foods refer to foods that are high in added sugars or naturally occurring sugars. Here are some common types of foods that are often high in sugar. Sugary beverages. This includes soda, fruit juices, energy drinks, and sweetened iced teas. These beverages can have very high sugar content and can contribute significantly to daily sugar intake. Candy. This category includes various types of candies such as gummy bears, chocolate bars, hard candies, and chewy candies. They are usually made with a high concentration of sugar. Baked goods. Cakes, cookies, pastries, donuts, and other baked treats are often loaded with added sugars. Cereals. Many breakfast cereals, especially those marketed to children, contain high amounts of added sugars. Always check the nutrition label to assess the sugar content. Sweetened yogurt. Flavored yogurts can have a substantial amount of added sugars. Opt for plain yogurt and add your own fruits if you want to control the sugar content. Ice cream and frozen desserts. These treats often contain added sugars as well as natural sugars from dairy. Look for options with lower sugar content or consider making your own using natural sweeteners. Sweet sauces and condiments. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce, and salad dressings can contain hidden sugars. Fruit snacks. While they may seem healthy because they're fruit-flavored, many fruit snacks are essentially candy with added sugars. Granola bars and snack bars. Some of these bars marketed as healthy snacks can be quite high in added sugars. Flavored coffee drinks. Specialty coffee drinks like flavored lattes and frappuccinos can contain a significant amount of added sugars. Canned fruits in syrup. Canned fruits are often packed in sugary syrup, which adds unnecessary sugars. Breakfast pastries. Pastries like danishes and cinnamon rolls are high in both refined sugars and unhealthy fats. Instant oatmeal packets. Flavored instant oatmeal packets can have added sugars. Choose plain oats and add your own toppings, such as fresh fruit and a touch of honey. Commercial smoothies. Pre-made smoothies, especially those bought at cafes or stores, can contain high amounts of added sugars. Certain types of bread. Some bread, especially sweet bread and those marketed as healthy bread with added grains, can have higher sugar content. Remember, if you're considering making significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that your new eating plan is safe and appropriate for your individual needs. Thanks for watching.